All right, we're moving on. This one over to Brad Lawler, home team inspections. Betty is writing in. She had her air ducts cleaned in her condo recently. Everything seemed to be good. This question seems to be reoccurring. Now there's a whining noise coming from the HVAC. And we may have already answered this on one of the last shows, but I think it might be important because we're getting into that time of year where air ducts are going to be cleaned. What are your thoughts on the
Yeah,
noise?
well, it is. So, yeah, it was very similar question that was asked. Yes, so sometimes, depending on the company that you're using to do the air duct cleaning, they don't all use a vacuum type system. So sometimes they push things to different ports that they can open up and pull all the dust and debris out of. What happens is sometimes that does get caught up in the fan motors.
Hmm.
I think sometimes the whining that you're hearing is probably a bearing that's going out. Could it have been impacted by a cleaning? Maybe. The best thing they can do is contact their company that does their HVA services. Hopefully, you've got a relationship with somebody, but have them come out and look because if you've got a good HVAC company, one, they can probably do the cleaning for you correctly. Two, they can diagnose the problem and hopefully not try to sell you a whole system if it's a $200 repair. This is where you just need that trusted HVAC company, and I'm sure everybody on this show has those folks that would be happy to refer them to as well, because there are plenty out there that you can call that really just want to come out and sell you a whole new system.
Yeah, that's true. All right, we're going to take a break. When we come back, 12 ways to clean your home while you sleep. It was all started with a request from actual question from one of our listeners. Continuing with us, Chuck Crosby. He's the owner of the Crosby Law Offices, where you can have your home closed if you're doing closing or refi. Wills, he also does powers of attorney, commissioner, sales, a variety of things. You can reach Chuck at 499-6360. Also, Brad Lawler, owner of Home Team Inspection Service, not only here in Louisville, but he's also in Lexington and in Frankfurt. You can reach Brad and also Team Bug Out for termite and pest corrections, 844-411-TEAM. Also, my son Greg does a marketing, photography, and a whole lot more. And you can reach me if you're thinking about selling your home now or in the future. You can reach me on my cell phone. I'll come out for a free, no obligation, an idea plan of what you can do, and we can put it on the market and sell it if you want. 376-5483, or go to bobsellslouisville.com. We're back in a moment on News Radio 840 WHAS.